it's Josh with Pioneer Machine Sales, and today I'm going to be doing some stainless steel 14 gauge plates, and I'm going to be doing it with the wire attachment with the Weld XR.